Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about LN and EXP command in Schematic Manager Siemens PLC S7-300 in the floating point math section. So let's go to the topic. Here first of all, we will take one input address to execute our command, and next in the floating point section, we will choose this one LN, that one, this one LN, double click at this one, and one more we can take for the row with the expansion command. So here we will give the input address I124.1 in example, and here we will give the datas, for example MD30, and here we will next data give MD35, and here we will give MD40, and here we will give MD45. So this data and this I will download to the PLC. Wait for a second, on the monitor. And now basically this is also this in math section, this commands, this is basically same like a logarithm. Logarithm, an example, if you like to find some logarithm values, an example 2.5 of the logarithm, how much? So we first execute our 100.1, and after you can see this is the 2.5 of the logarithm is 0.916291 look like, and in the expansion command this is 2.9 of the logarithm expansion, how much? 18.1741. So basically this is totally opposite, yani which is the and the logarithm, and this will be totally in opposite. For example, this is, and also if you like to see these values, you can see in the floating point. This is best method because of logarithms values are reading in the floating points, and here you can see the 2.9. And for example this value, if for example I write it here, sorry, this value we not see, and after better than if we like to see this value and this result in the expansion, so what we do, just wait, this MD35, this just we will take this data. After this will automatically shows the result in our next data register. MD35 we will write in the input of the exponential command, and after we will get the answer how this commands works, yani. And again download to the PLC and monitor mix on, you will be better understand. And now you can see which result I write it in the input of LN command, that gives the answer 0.9162991. And same like when you give this value at that same this input of expression command, after you can see the result this one the same, yani 2.5. One more example, and also if you like to verify this one, just go to the calculator, and here we can find the value of this one logarithm. For example, we write this value 2.5. 2.5 is the log how much, this you can 0.916290, same like same value. One more value we will be check 3.5 of the how much logarithm. That's you can see 1.25276. Same as again we will be verify this one 3.5 of the log how much 1.2527 1.2527 same value. And when this value we will write in the expression command, after you can see this result is same answer he gives in the 3.5. Means when any value comes from the field, when you put it here logarithm you can find it here, and which logarithm you like to be convert in the exponential command, after you can see the results in the MD45. Basically these commands are working look like a calculator, means fast and fast way. If you like to see some values in the logarithm, after you can use these commands. And for the logarithms, if you like to be complete reads what's the meaning of logarithm and how it's used, so simply you can go to the website. This one very good website. Here you can logarithms FAQs. And what are the logarithms? Logarithm is the inverse of exponential, which is used to find out the what power a base must be raised to yield a particular value. What's the difference? Different types of logarithms. There are two types of logarithms: common logarithm base 10 and neutral logarithm base e. Also, what are logarithms used for? This is also, this is very long, yani you can read and after understand about this logarithm systems. How and where we used, what are the 7 rules of logarithms look like. You can see the product rule, coin rule, power rule, change the base rule, zero rule, identity rule, negative rule. Same yani what is logarithm product rule, also same as it's log rule for change of base. What the relationship between logarithms and exponentials are inverse operations. You can see what he is saying, logarithms and exponential are inverse operations. A logarithm tells you the exponent needs to reach a certain number, while an exponential raises a base to an exponent. So same this all details if you like to be laws of logarithms, log rules, logarithm formulas, and all this you can be read in the manual. So this command is basically using for just when you like to be read these values and you like to show these values on the HMIs. After you can give the input address and value coming from field, and after you need to be huge values, long values, when you like to be calculate, you can fast calculate in the program. So hope guys you will be understand about this one. If not understand anything, you can send the message of in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.